Greetings of peace, and thanks for tuning in. I've got another great video for y'all today. This is basically going to be a video about Bitcoin and Theta. I'm going to go over the dreams that I had previously. Plus, I did get a recent dream on Theta, which I'll reveal in this video a couple of weeks ago. Now, I didn't post it right away because I didn't see the importance of it, because it just reinforced previous dreams I've had, as you'll see later in this video. So I have been getting a lot of comments, so that's probably the reason why I'm making this video, just to give people a refresher, what I think is happening. Keep in mind, as I've mentioned before, if life was a movie, prophecy would be the trailer. So what that basically means in a metaphor is that, dreams operate outside of time and space. When they will occur, I'm not sure. What time frame they're showing me these candles at, I'm not sure. So let's just go over it. So we got, I had 4 dreams between 15.6K up to 55K plus. So that was showing me in 4 dreams. You can go back to my previous videos if you want to see the specifics of that. It actually got the exact bottom here. Then I had a dream where we had a huge crash. I saw it going down past 30K, and it was just steamrolling down. Now, I didn't see how low it went. I kind of was very shaken in that dream because I could feel like all the pain and all the suffering happening, because it was just such a vicious, like when it broke 70, it actually showed me in real time, not like a static chart. It showed me like the speed of it coming down. So this is coming down in steps. It's not coming down in a big boom kind of thing, sort of like say like this was all one big candle here, coming down like down to here. Okay, so this is coming down in steps. It's not coming down in one big thing. So I don't think this is playing out. Plus, I saw it bouncing off the 70K zone several times. So that really hasn't happened. We're not holding any bodies above, I don't think we've held one body above 70K yet. So I don't think this is playing out. Plus, this is coming down very, like, in a step manner, which also coincides with the dreams I had with Theta, which I'll get to. So I saw this dream next. So I figured this was probably around 90K. It could be higher. It could be a little bit lower. I didn't see the price, but what I did see was the 70K level, and this just dropping down like a hot knife. Now, I did have a dream back in this area, like in the spring of 2023, where I saw it from 27K coming down, gaining a nice bounce off the 22.6K level up to the 27.5K level. So I got that back here. I thought that was going to play back here, but it never did. So I'm figuring this is probably maybe the next bottom. 22.6K will be the next bottom for Bitcoin in the next bear market, possibly, or a nice place to get a bounce. So we had the 15.6, maybe the 22.6 will be the next bottom for Bitcoin. So going to Theta. Now these dreams are gonna also help us understand where Bitcoin is going next. So I had a dream where I saw us go from here around $4 up to $8 roughly, and then I had another dream here where it showed us go from like $3-4 all the way up to about $10 to $13 for Theta. I roughly between 12, big wick from like $10 to $13, and then it started staggering down a little bit, then a big crash down to, it looked like it was going to 0. I didn't see it go to 0, but it was crashing ridiculously fast, and this coincides with the dream I had here, so I think that's what's playing out. So I think we do have another leg. As I mentioned in my previous videos as well, that Bitcoin is going to double top. So this is probably going to be the first top, second top, boom, crash. So the next like 4 bull markets are going to be double tops. So I was expecting a pullback of some kind. So let's just go over the rest of the dreams here. Um, so the recent dream I did have was this very similar to this dream, which went from 311 theta to 340. This one showed me a staggering down, which this was like staggering as well. And then we went sideways, rounding bottom, and then boom, up to. So this dream showed me at $2.60. So this is what I think is probably going to happen. We've got two order blocks here, one around $1 theta and another at 60 theta. Now my intuition keeps telling me I keep getting 60 cents in my head, so my main thesis probably is theta's probably gonna come down to 60 cents. They're gonna grab all this liquidity here and then pop it off very strong. In this dream, I saw like two very large green candles. So when it does pop off, it's going to be very strong. And that's probably going to kick us off all the way up to $12 to $13 roughly theta. Now you got to remember, dreams operate out of time and space. I don't know how long this is going to take. It didn't show me the bottom prices, and it didn't show me what time frame the candlesticks are in. So do we only go up to 340 again, or to 260? You got to take all these dreams at their own. But I do think there's a correlation with all these dreams. Usually my dreams are, once I get them, it takes about 1.5 years before they play out. So it's always very important to look at the bigger time frames of how these dreams are going to play out. So these are my two scenarios. So I think we may grab liquidity here at $1 and then pop out, or we're going to go down to 60 cents and then pop out. So we'll have to see how that plays out. So if we're going to take that idea, so we're going to mirror that idea here on Bitcoin too. So we've got an order block here at around 51K. So we might come here, chop down here, chop sideways, make a rounding bottom, and then boom, off to the races. Or we get the order block here around 40K, come staggering down, make a rounding bottom, and then pop off to above 70K. I'm not sure how high we get, maybe 80 to 90, maybe 100K. It didn't show me the top, but it just showed me this this pattern that played out. So we would come up, test 70K, come back up again, test 70K, come back up again, fail the test at 70K, and then boom, a major crash. Now it showed me in real time how fast it's going to go down. This is going to come down ridiculously fast. So that's why this is kind of coming down in steps. It's not from 70K, it's coming down in steps. So I do not think, and plus the amount of pain and suffering I felt when this was going on, it just came down like a bat out of hell. So I think that's about it. Like I said, these dreams should be looked at on higher time frames. I've made that mistake before. When I saw this 311 coming down, making a rounding bottom, and then coming back up to $3.40, I thought maybe like we'd come down to the 2 level, but it never showed me a bottom. And it never showed me what time frame. So from what it's looking like now, I think these are two probable outcomes here for that dream. So we can come down to 60 cents, and like my intuitions for the last couple of weeks have been saying 60 cents, 60 cents. So yeah, we could be coming down to grab the liquidity down from this bottom here, and then shooting back up. Or we could just come down to here. There's another order block here. So we'll see how that plays out. So I would keep those two scenarios in mind. if you're trading or investing in Theta. I do still strongly believe that with all my dreams, with the double top scenario of other dreams that I've had, that this is looking like how it's maybe going to play out as a strong possibility. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated. It's been a while since I made a dream video for you guys. Like I said, I just haven't got any new Bitcoin or Theta or other coin dreams. So I think they're still all in play. They just need time to play out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, just put it in the comments below, and if I find it's relevant, or if I haven't spoken about it in this video, then I'll answer it. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. Peace.